everyone. Thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. We're going to do some pinks today. I'm showing you real quick the colors that I've mixed up. It's 2 or 3 colors together in every color. So we're going to have some fun today. I love working on these 10 by 20 inch canvases. I was so pleased with this piece. After I varnished it, I went ahead and purchased some canvases, some frames. This one is just a little leftover magenta. I don't want a lot of magenta in this, just a little bit, enough to get it to pop. But again, I did purchase some black frames, so I can't wait. The frames haven't come in, but I will show you it in the frame at some point later on in another flower pop. So we're going to go ahead and lay down all these luscious colors. I just love pink. I love clothes in pink. I like anything that is pink and girly, to be honest with you. But when I'm doing these flower pops, I don't do as much pink as I do aqua, blue, and purple, it really seems to be the colors that people purchase. I don't know if you remembered my pearl pour that I did that was all those pinks that did sell, but it did take quite a bit to get that one off my shelf. So we're going to see. I'm doing more and more sales with my flower pops. I want to say thank you so much to all of you that continue to purchase them, and you're sending me emails, and you've really, really warmed my heart with your comments, and I just can't thank you enough. It has taken me away from YouTube a bit, just because it's very difficult to work full time and do the flower pops and the other artwork that I'm doing for the other displays in my area. So I do apologize that my videos are once a week. But for those of you that continue to follow me, I just can't thank you enough for being here. And I continue to do this video each week because it's just what I love to do. So thank you for sharing that with me. Okay, I'm doing random colors here. And I really had decided that I thought I knew what color I was going to swipe with. So I just kind of mixed it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop some bubbles, and we are going to go ahead, and I have a lot of paint on here. And remember, with these flower pops, you don't want a lot of paint because it becomes very similar, especially when you're using shades of the same color on the color wheel. If you're using colors that accent each other, or they're across from each other on the color wheel, you can get a lot of different variations. But when you're using colors all in the same family, like this one, you don't want to mix it too much, or your flowers just don't look like flowers. And I don't typically do gallery wrap, but I'm getting better with getting those edges to look more natural when I'm doing these. And that's all about the look and the appearance of it looking natural for me. I don't like anything that's forced, really. So anyway, I am jibber jabbering. I'm going to go ahead and clean up these sides. We're going to lay down our swipe line, and I'm going to put some music on, and I would love for you to stay to the end. The varnish piece is just stunning, and it's one of my faves. Be Still My Heart is the name of this one. Okay, I am swiping with Tri-Art Rose Gold Fluid mixed with Amsterdam Persian Rose. If you haven't tried Tri-Art's fluid paints, they are absolutely amazing. Okay, I've decided to do a surface pull, which is with the plastic. It clings to the paint and it pulls it over the paint instead of sinking down in when I use a paper towel. I really wanted to see a lot of pink at the top so that I can have kind of just a distinct top and bottom, especially since I'm going to use Blick Black to blow this out. That looks amazing. I'm going to be right back, and we are going to blow out these flowers. Okay, we're going to start at the very top in that beautiful pink area in the corner. I see some cells popping up to the right of the canvas, so I don't want to disturb those. I think it'll look really cool, and it does when it dried. They're just beautiful. So, excuse me, I do like this flower. I think there's a little too much black, and I will adjust and play with that as time goes on. I am using my Puffy 2000. That tip is what really makes the flower, the petals have layers. I just love my Puffy. I'm now going to add a couple other flowers. And I'm going to then, probably after I get about 4 to 6 more on here, I will add the stem so that I can determine what my composition is going to be. I can already tell on these 10 by 20, I love doing a vine style flower, so I'm sure that's what's going to happen, but we will see. So you can see when I blow on these petals, I'm actually blowing on the surface more than down in this particular painting, and that is because you've got to carry some of that black into the pink because there's so much pink. The colors, like I said, they're in the same color family in the color wheel. So you want to kind of blow over the paint and not down. So I'm going to put some tunes on, and we are going to come back in a few minutes to see what we do in the final results. I will see you there.
Put your faith in
Okay, we are going to go through and just touch up the flowers, give them each a little bit of character, add maybe a little black on some of them, make the stems that aren't real distinct stand out a little bit more. I do love under the flower at the top, that is shaped like a heart. I am going to fix the right side of the heart a little bit. I'm just going to add a little bit of paint, and oh my goodness, I have to tell you that I am in love with this piece. The final piece is just, it's stunning, and we varnished it. I can't wait to share that with you, and I promise that I will take a picture when the frame comes in as well and show you in the frame. The gallery wrap to me just look so exquisite when they're placed in a frame. So I'm going to show you the dried results, and then I will varnish it and show you the results. Cannot wait to see you there. Okay, let's go down for a quick close-up. While it is drying, I thought that I would check out and see about getting frames for these, and I just cannot wait until they come in. I just love the thought of putting a black frame on this. Look at those little flowers. I haven't messed with the heart yet. I am going to make that heart, just make it a perfect shape there up at the top. All right, so we are about ready to see. There's the heart. Not bad. And here is the final results. I'm going to show you the varnished. We decided to varnish it. Look at those cells. Oh my goodness, I am in love with this painting. I hope you enjoyed this flower pop. And I again want to thank everyone that continues to follow and to watch, and you don't get sick of these flower pops. I am in love with them, and I am just getting so many new ideas. So stay on this journey with me. I'm so grateful. Hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. Till next time.